Hello students, my name is Brijesh Kumar Singh from Department of Information Technology. In this video, I am going to discuss the compiler design lab experiment. Objective of today lab experiment is write a C program to find first of any grammar. Required software are Turbo C, C++, Dev C++, CodeBlocks. You can use anyone. Before starting the implementation part of this experiment, I want to discuss the concept of first function and how to calculate the first of any grammar. First is a function which gives the set of terminals. First is a function which gives the set of terminals that begins the string derived from the production rule. First of a, if first of a is the set of terminal symbol that begins in a string derived from alpha. For example, suppose we have a production rule or you have a grammar. As you know that set of the production rule is known as grammar. A produce A, B, C and another production A produce D, E, F and another production A produce G, H, I. Then calculate the first of A. What will be the first of A? Suppose we have considered this production first. A produce small b and small c. In this case, first of A will be the small a. If you consider A produce D, E, F, in that case, first of A will be the D, and if you consider A produce G, H, I, in that case, first of A will be the G. Then first of A equal to A, D and G, right? Now, rules for calculating the first function. How to calculate the first function? There are the main three rules for calculating the first of any grammar. First is the if a production in the form of x produce epsilon is a production rule in this form. If a production x produce epsilon is a production rule, then add the epsilon to the set of first of x. That means if we have a production x produce epsilon, then first of x will be the epsilon. First of x will be the epsilon. Another point is the if x is the terminal symbol, then first of x is the x. If x is a terminal symbol, then first of x is the x. Another rule is the for a production rule, x is a non-terminal symbol. Like x produce y1, y2, y3. Here x is the non-terminal symbol, that means variable. And y1 is also non-terminal symbol, y2 is the also non-terminal symbol, and y3 is the also non-terminal symbol. If we have a production rule like in this form, x non-terminal produce set of the non-terminals. Then what will be the first of x? There are two conditions. First one is the if first of x equal to first of y, if and only if first of y does not belongs to epsilon. If first of y does not belongs to epsilon, then you can directly find the first of x equal to first of y1. If first of y1 is belongs to epsilon, then first of x will be the first of y1 minus epsilon union first of y2, y3. Right? These are the rules for calculating the first function of any grammar. For example, if we have a grammar E produce capital T capital A produce plus A produce epsilon, T produce FB, and B produce asterisk FB, and B produce epsilon, F produce E and ID. Then calculate the first of E, first of A. You can calculate the first of T, B, and F. Here we need to calculate the first of E and first of A. What will be the first of E? First of E equal to first of T, because T is the also non-terminal, so we need to calculate also the first of T. Then first of E equal to first of T, because T is the non-terminal symbol, right? T is the non-terminal symbol. Then first of T, move to the first of it. The first of T produce FB. F is the, if you calculate the first of T, then first of T is the first, F is the non-terminal symbol, so we need to calculate the first of F. Then first of F. Then when you calculate the first of F, first of F will be the, if you consider the F produce E, parenthesis E and then closing parenthesis. In that case, first of F will be the left parenthesis, right? Opening parenthesis. Then if you consider first this production F produce ID, in that case first of F will be the ID, because so first of E equal to first of E equal to open parenthesis comma ID, right? Now calculate the first of E. First of E is the ID. First of A will be the, see the production rule of A produce plus T and A. T is the terminal symbol, then first of A will be the plus. If you consider this production A produce epsilon, in that case first of A is the epsilon, then first of A will be the plus comma epsilon. Now I am going to write a program to implement these concepts in the C language.